Hello everyone, I'm Sarthak Gupta and I'm the creator of the Blaze IDE. The IDE is an IDE for Python on mobile that supports over 100 Python modules. It has a login screen with reset password email feature and a home screen with navigation UI and documentation. Now let's talk about the features of the app. It has a wonderful code editor with features such as importing Python files directly from the file manager, code linting with support for finding errors in the code, Git raw import feature which lets you import a file from GitHub, and module installation which lets you install Python modules such as request directly in just 2 seconds. As you can see, I am importing a Python code using the Git raw import feature. Now, it has a very useful feature called AI Code Assist. The AI Code Assist uses Llama 8 billion parameter model and in the background. So you can ask questions related to coding, you can generate code. The possibilities are endless. As you can see, I am asking it to explain me loops and it is giving very detailed answers. It is an 8 billion parameter model and it's hosted on the cloud so that its processing is very fast. Now the next feature we are going to talk about is called tutorials. It is my favorite feature as there are tutorials catering to every learner. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, there will be always something to code. So there is always something new to learn. For example, as you can see, there is the Pokédex tutorial. First I will copy its git raw URL and then when I'll open the Blaze IDE, I can import the URL to get the code directly from the GitHub. As you can see, the code is copied from the GitHub. Now the code requires the use of the Python requests module, but the request module is not installed, so the code will not be executed. So first we need to install the request module. We'll enter request and then click on install. As you can see, the module request is now installed successfully. Now we'll press the run button to get the details of the Pokemon. As you can see here, the Pokemon was Pikachu, so we got the details of Pikachu, and now I am entering Mewtwo. So as you can see, we have got the details of Mewtwo. This is all fetched directly from the web using the request module. Now business viability. There are endless options to monetize the app, but currently it's free so that everyone can code. Thank you.